Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss next interview question, that is what is the difference between double equal operator and equals method. So let's start. Before going to next discussion, I want to tell, or I want to write here one line, that is what is our question. So that is difference between double equal operator and dot equals method. Okay. Difference between double equal operator and dot equals method. If interviewer is expecting one line answer from you, then right here I want to tell you double equal operator is meant for the reference comparison. It's meant for reference comparison, or we can say address comparison. Dot equals method is meant for content comparison. What is meant by content comparison, or what is a reference comparison, that I want to show you. Suppose I write here one example. If I write here one example, string s1 equal to new string Ganesh, string s2 equal to new string Ganesh, system.out.println s1 equal to s2, then in this case we will get output as a false. System.out.println s1 dot equals s2. In this case we will get output true. Okay. That how behind the scene these things are happening, that I want to show you. So let's start. Show toolbar. I want to tell you, this is a S1 object. Okay. This is a S1 object. This is a S2 object. This contain Ganesh. This contain Ganesh. This also contain Ganesh. If I write here S1, this is a S2 object. This is a S2 object. It is a pointing to this object. It is pointing to this object. Okay. Okay. So this S1 object and this S2 object, these are a different by reference. Means this reference is a different, this reference is a different, but content is the same. Ganesh and Ganesh. If I write here G small also, then it is a different content. Means we will not get a true output here. So I want to show you with a VS Code, with practically. Suppose I write here a string S1 equal to new string, और पास here Ganesh, string s2 equal to new string Ganesh. System dot out dot println s1 equal to s2, s1 dot equals s2. So say what output we will get. Run Java. So in first case false output, in second case true output. In double equal operator we will get a false output. Why we are getting the false output? Because two objects are different and two reference are different. That's why we are getting a false output. The double equal operator is a meant for the reference comparison, and dot equals method is a meant for the content comparison. Right here Ganesh and Ganesh means both text are same, that's why we are getting true output. If I write here small g, then definitely in both case we will get a false output. See here false. So I hope you understand this example. I want to copy this example for your notes and paste here. Okay. So this is all about a double equal operator and dot equals method. If you want to study in detail how to override dot equals method or how to change the behavior of a double equal operator, then please follow my YouTube series.